And then you put the centella on. Pero parang umover yata ako kagabi, kakabuhos. I did my skin flooding last night. And todo yung pagka-glass skin niya. So, skin flooding is when paulit-ulit mong ibubuhos yung toner mo. So, binuhos ko siya ng paulit-ulit ng mga 5 times ako ng skin flooding. And then you let it dry. And then, before it dries, that's when you put the licorice. So, ma-absorb siya. Anemic? Okay na ako ng anemic. Wag na lang iba. Kasi, naaning ako. Kasi tama na, in Jesus name. Huwag na natin pag-usapan. Kasi natatakot ako. Madami pa akong gustong gawin sa buhay ko. So, this is the get ready with,
Nung lumabas tayo, hindi mo napansin.
This is, naman, para naman ako na-aksidente dun sa pasako. Ayoko na. Dami pa akong kailangan gawin. Na-rabbit hole na yung utak ko. Dami ko na napuntahan sa 20 seconds yun. So, hindi talaga pwedeng walang lashes. I mean, walang kilay. Hindi ko kaya.
Konti na. Ang ganda kasi.
So, anong gagawin ko?
Hindi mo kailangan siyang medyo laminated. Tapos, para mag-darken, brown mascara.
Brown mascara?
Brown mascara. Para mag-darken yung strands, para magmukhang buo.
Oh, let's try. So, laminate first.
Laminate. Hindi, pwedeng
Ito muna.
Yes.
Okay, Bobbi Brown Mahogany. Let's try. Dami pa kang gustong ikayod sa buhay. Pero aanhin mo naman niya kung yung health mo is suffering. Pero maalaga naman ako sa katawan ko, sis. Baka naman anemic lang talaga. Anemic or anemic?
Anemic.
Hindi mo parang Bisaya yung
anemic. Kasi,
anemic.
Oo, kasi yun eh.
Anemic.
E.
Anemic. Sequent or sequent?
Sequence yung
sequences.
Ordering.
Sequence
yung ginagamit sa damit.
Beach or bitch?
Depende. Beach, it's I-T-C-H. Beach. So tayo yung mga gusto mahilig maligo sa beach. Long E, short E. Beach. So yun yung E-A kasi long E. Beach.
Ano yung bitch?
I lang siya. So pagka pinakinggan mo siya yung short E. Beach. Long E, E-A. Beach. Yes.
Yes. Gusto mo ng kape? Or baka lalo akong maining pag nagkape pa ako?
Parang wag na.
Ganyan?
Yan, oo. Tama.
Hindi ko kaya.
Hindi,
wala na akong makeup, wala na akong kilay. Saan ka ba hugutin?
Tapos siguro dulo lang.
Uy, bawal ang dead air, mabobore sila.
Ganda.
Yan. Let's try. Bagay sa'yo, bleach eyebrows, sis, ko naman. Yung hangganan lang yung beauties ko.
Tapos na yun. Bleach
so,
eyebrows.
Sa gilid lang ako.
Yes, duluhan mo lang siya.
Tapos pag tinamaan doon ang ilaw sa stage, ha?
Glass, kinag-glass. Brows.
Parang hindi ko kaya. Ito, dagdagan ko. Ayan. So, bukas, meron tayong Beautycon for SM.
Konti pa dito sa may ibabaw. Sa dulo, ito. Yung sa tail. Yan. Saturday, meron ka din yata.
Saturday, meron din akong Beautycon. Ay!
Laxel visit.
Pero maganda sana yun kung hindi natin sinabi kasi surprise visit.
Ay! Surprise para siya.
Okay lang.
Yan. Buo na.
Baka naman parang pangit, di ba?
Yeah.
Wala po ba kayo centella dito sa wala? Pero we are fixing that. Kasi madami nga nagre-request. So, sis, I think I'm gonna put a little bit of powder, kasi nasobrahan naman si glass skin.
Si glass skin. Tsaka yung blush. Ang ganda yung blush mo.
Best under eye concealer for brightening. Ikaw na maganda. Hindi ako nag-under eye eh. Maganda rin ang maganda kasi talaga Teviant. Even like because I use Teviant sa back because I have like a lot of yung back knee, especially if it's hormonal. So maganda yung Teviant. You could try that out too. Ito siya. Teviant. And then, pero maganda talaga yung Teviant concealer kung bet mo. Actually, maganda talaga si Teviant. Okay, I'm just gonna add a little bit of the Emerald Baby Root. Emerald Baby Root Channel Forte by Jessica. And then, this is my favorite Backstage Dior. Just a little bit.
Just a little bit.
Yan. Magpapa-garage sale ba kayo? Hopefully soon, pero usually kasi, especially because it's my job, I have a lot of like, stuff that I use for my work. I usually like for some of my bags that I don't use or whatever, I already kind of give it out to certain online sellers or stuff like that. So medyo kailangan na siguro natin ulit mag-sale, pero wala pa kasi akong, for now, wala pa. Ayusin ko pa yan. Kailangan ko magkalkal. Anong willing ko i-let go? So, let's see. Sobrang ganda ng Harper's Bazaar bleach brows mo. Thank you so much. May used, ano bang ginamit ni May? Concealer. Nag-concealer lang siya ng Tevion. Sorry, hindi ko kaya yung kilay. Hindi ko kaya. Lalagyan ko lang ng strands. Ang dami ko pa naman interview mo. Ano ba mga questions niyo? Sorry. Hindi ko nakikita. May makeup po ba kayo na hindi ginagamit? Yes, because usually all of my makeup or a lot of my stuff, like this one, clothes, they're supplied by the brands. So you usually have, like even our bags, ganyan. You usually have giftings. Even clothes, they have giftings or gift certificate that's part of your talent fee. So sabihin mong babayaran ka ng ganito ng 3 million. Tapos meron yung, kunwari, 1 million na GC. Parang may mga ganon. So, sometimes I'm conflicted kasi hindi ko alam kung rinegalo nila yung bag na yun, dapat pa ibenta ko yun. Parang medyo off kung ibenta ko kasi binigalo nila. So, ang mangyayari is, yung mga personal ko na lang na willing ko i-let go, yun yung i-let go ko para if ever meron akong gustong bilhin na isa pang bag, yun yung pambibili ko. Pero now naman kasi, wala naman din akong ibang gusto na parang relax lang man din ako lately. Wala, ay, ba't ganun, sis? Wala akong, yung mask. Meron pa pala ako yung, remnants ng mask ko. So yeah, like when you asked me about makeup, I have a lot of makeup. As in, sobrang dami kong makeup na bigay sa akin ng brands, ganyan. Especially when you go to Fashion Week and then you work for a brand. Talagang you don't know how to bring home the stuff they give you. They give you shades, they give you bags, clothes. Like, usually when I go there, I have like a whole box full of new clothes and makeup, ganyan. But the thing is, because it's your job also that you have to kind of post it, you have to promote it. I have a lot of makeup na na-swatch ko, ganyan. So, I don't know if it's right if I give it to my fans or my viewers because nagamit ko na siya. So, I don't know if it would be right. Pero, nasi-share ko naman din yung blessing niyan. Kila Hill or si Mama Hill, may mga makeup artist siya na mga friends na just starting out. Doon ko ibibigay yung mga makeup ko or like, kunwari, production people that I work with. I give them some of my makeup na minsan kasi doble-doble. Like, literally, when you go to a show, I remember I went to Dolce & Gabbana. You go to a show, paglabas mo, naka-tray lang yung bagong shades na from the show. Tapos naka Dolce & Gabbana Kim. Naka-tray lang, ang daming tray. So every time you're about to kuha lang sa nakuha, ganyan. It's the same with Dior. So I have so much, but I don't know if I can give it to my fans. Like the makeup and stuff like that. Because nga, na-swatch ko na siya. So, like, I have 3 more pieces of these that I gave away. Because hindi ko nga siya nagagamit. Nasasayang naman. And, see, I have like this. But, hindi ko naman siya So, ewan ko, unless carry lang yun na na-swatch ko na, pwede ko naman gawin na ganun. Maybe we'll see. Kasi ayoko kasi baka bash ako na ginamit at pinamigay pa. Yun lang yung afraid of that commentation. Ano pa mga questions? Super love Luxel. Yes, I love Luxel so much. Any plans to visit London? I was supposed to have a paid job for a show in London right before Fashion Week. Ito. Pero because may mga endorsement shoot ako at may mga events ako dito, I don't think I can go to London for that. Because if I do the math, even if they pay for my hotel, trip, my team, when I do the math of like how much I will make for that one show compared whereas how much I'll make for the stuff that I need to do here in the Philippines, like my job, endorsements and stuff, malaki yung mawawala sa akin. Plus, mapapagod pa ako kasi may Milan ako and may Paris ako. So, and I also was supposed to be in New York, but then it depends because like when you do the math, you only have one job. And if you do one job, kunyari, ex-chem, ganyan. Even if quits lang, with hotel and all of that. Pero kung may work ako dito na parang yun yung pipiliin ko, tapos pagod na pagod pa ako. But if this was me before, then I were to balance, and I was starting out in Fashion Week, tatayaan ko yun, napupunta ako, and then yun. Pero ngayon, dun muna tayo sa sa babayaran ka ng kasi kailangan natin mag-save kasi 40 years old na tayo, no? Masyado na tayong madaming tiniya na pinagtrabuhan natin in the past, diba, Hill? So, doon na tayo para sila Hill din, sulit din para sa kanila.
Kung ano yung masulit.
Kung ano yung masulit, kung ano yung mas smart, kung ano yung mas may kikitain ka na something, na money, doon tayo. Unless talaga sobrang ganda ng brand, so going strong tayo doon. Na parang, love mo yung brand, added value siya sa imaging and branding mo, then sige, tatayan mo. But usually, pag ganon, hindi na ako masyado kasi pagod na po ako. So, kailangan, meron tayong makukuha doon. Kasi kung lagi palabas, para saan pa natin ginawa? Tapos na tayo dun sa taya moments na tinatayaan mo yung sarili mo, ganyan. This is a beautiful blush, by the way. This is Behave from NARS. And it's very Behave. Ayan. Ganyan siya. Sobrang like nothing. This is my favorite. Favorite, baby girl's favorite. Work lang ng work. Working. And I'm just very grateful na mahal ko yung trabaho. Kaya kahit hirap, trabaho ko siya. Pero, hindi lagi mahal mo yung trabaho mo. Malinaw naman din sa akin yun na pag mahal mo yung, malinaw naman sa akin. Malinaw sa ating lahat yun, no, Hill, diba? Na work is work. Minsan hindi natin siya mahal, pero kailangan mo siyang gawin, sis. Kung mag-inarte, especially dati, mag-tumbling ka dyan. The secret to the glass skin is not a secret anymore. It's Luxel 24K Gold. This is, peptides are so good for you, and it has 24K Gold in it. So it's good for anti-inflammatory, brightening, anti-aging, fine lines. And then licorice is also really, really good because its licorice extract is good for whitening, brightening, ganyan. So ito yun. If you want a stronger version, we have the Glow line, which is also fantastic. But nauusi ako. Gusto ko muna ubusin to bago ako mag-start dun sa Glow line. So, yun. Paano nyo po na ma-manage yung panic attack? I have to take anxiety meds sometimes because minsan overwhelming din yung trabaho and it just really looks very glamorous, but it's very overwhelming because you have to do a lot of the back work. Like me to say, I do a lot of my editings too. I do a lot of storyboards and stuff like that. I'm very OC with my storyboards, and sometimes girl math, if you hire like a company that does that, you're gonna spend so much on that for what? Kung mag-isip ka naman, I'm very creative in that way, then minus na yun sa kailangan ko bayaran. So I do a lot of my storyboards, a lot of conceptualizing. Then I edit with my editors hand in hand, and we sometimes have like a deadline of sometimes 10 videos a day. Hi, ate! I'm live! So, nandito na sila lahat kasi meron kaming deadline ulit. So, I need to go because time is ticking and I have to do my work now kasi nandito na sila. Ayoko sa inyo time nila. So, I just want to say thank you for joining the live for a little chika-chika. Ito na muna ang aking look and I'll see you again next time. Bye!